What's up, SBM gang? I'm back with another YouTube review, and it's really no shade. Shout out to Hurela Hair for sending me the bust down. I always work with Hurela, and this is nothing new for me. I love slaying their wigs. This is an HD wig, pre-colored. I love this color. All the information for this wig will be in the description box. So sit back, relax, and watch me slay Kelly Hicks. Period. Shout out to Hurela Hair. Now, at first, this wig felt a little bit big, but once I adjusted those straps, this wig felt snug and perfect how I needed to. So, if you girls order a wig from Hurela and you feel like the wig is too big, make sure you adjust those straps as tight as possible in the back, so that way your wig can be snug and your frontal doesn't get ripples once you melt it. You guys already know I use skin protectant before every install, even my glueless installs. I do not play about my client's skin. You see they never have any acne, discoloration, rashes, or bumps around their hairline because I don't play. Their hairline is always protected. I'm going in with my tape on top of that nude cap just for that extra security. Y'all know Kelly makes her wigs last, so let me put the little tape on it so that way I don't have to worry about her sides lifting up or none of that. I use my active adhesive and it was no shade. I've been trying to create my widow's peaks. So lately I've been putting more glue down the middle so that way I can really create a hairline. I'm tired of the straight across cut lace look. It's not tea anymore. So I do kind of put a little point in my middle area because I just feel like it gives me hairline realness. Once all that glue dries clear, you want to just go in and place that wig where it goes, not too far up, not too far back, right where it needs to be, and tie it down with your boho lace band, and just let it air dry for a little bit. Move on to other things, come back to it, cut that lace off with a razor. I don't use scissors. I don't even have my eyebrow razors right now, so I've been using real sharp razors. They're so scary. Please be careful when using them if you're going to use them. I don't even recommend it because it's dangerous, but I just be knowing what I'm doing. Shout out to my boho lace tint in the shade of dark brown. All the lace tint shades are on the hairdiagram.com. Don't say I didn't tell you. Don't say I'm gatekeeping with the products. But the lace tint literally makes any wig on any client of any color scalpy. And it's what? No shade, period. Don't say I didn't tell you. And nobody can tell me that this is not giving Scalpiana, period. So now I'm just going in with my tweezers and I'm just customizing this hairline. I've really been into my hairlines lately. Like, I've been real into it. I haven't just been worried about baby hairs. I'm into my plucking. I'm into my hairline, guys. That is the new wave. It's no shade. So I tied her back down, sprayed it with some holding spray. Now I'm doing my layers. I am scissor happy. I do not be scared to do layers because I know what type of curls I'm going for, and I can't do it without throwing some layers into this wig. I put layers all over the wig, not just the front area. I did my big one, and it's no shade. I've been using this mousse from the Sea Lux collection and I love it. This mousse dries fast. It dries hard actually. And it's almost like a holding spray mixed with mousse at the same time. And it just doesn't create just this wet look. It actually dries while you're using it. So I really love this mousse. This is what I've been using to really create my baby hairs lately. And it's no shade. I use my 1.5-inch barrel curl from the hair store to get this look. This isn't an expensive curling iron. This curling iron was probably $20. So yeah, that's what I did. I wanted a bigger wavy look. I didn't want tight curls. So this is why I use my bigger curling iron. You guys already know I'm not going to play with the hot comb. Make sure you are melting your clients' wigs with those hot combs. You want to really make sure you're sectioning that hair where it needs to go and it's not a humpy situation. My absolute favorite part is the comb out and pushing it forward and hyping up my clients. It's no shade. Shout out to Hurela Hair for sending me this bust down wig. Look at this wig. This wig is so beautiful. Kelly was so scared to try this color, and I think this is her color. Like, it looks so good on her, and she needs to stop being scared to do the bust down colors. But shout out to Hurela. All the information for this wig will be in the description box below. Shout out to my SBM gang. We almost at 7K. I need y'all to keep subscribing, sharing, telling your friends to tell your friends to subscribe, because the podcast is coming. We already filmed it and it came out so good, you guys. I cannot wait for y'all to see it. It's no shade. All of Kelly info will be in the description box as well. Make sure y'all following my girl, and it's really no shade. Bye, y'all.